Hey, car fans! Today we're diving into the epic showdown manuals versus automatics. Which one will steal the crown? Let's gear up. Number 5. Fun factor. Manuals give you that raw, hands-on driving experience. It's like dancing with your car. Who doesn't love the thrill of nailing a perfect gear shift? Number 4. Fuel efficiency. Depending on the model, manuals can often beat automatics in fuel economy. So if you're eco-conscious, shifting it up might just be your best move. Number 3. Ease of use. Automatics make driving in tight traffic a breeze. No more worrying about clutch control. Just sit back, relax, and let the car do the work for you. Number 2. Performance. While manuals offer that thrilling connection to the road, automatics, especially dual clutch systems, can deliver rapid-fire gear changes for ultimate performance. It's a battle of personal taste. And the winner? Well, it's all about what you prefer. Do you crave the thrill of shifting, or is the convenience of automatics more your style? Want more fascinating car content? Hit that subscribe button and join us at Car Cosmos for your daily dose of all things automotive. Catch you on the road.